So our group assignment is on technical product, that is iPhone 14. We are going to give a quick overview of the iPhone 14 in the video for individuals who are interested in purchasing one or who have already done so. Additionally, we will go over some of the important subjects such as what you will get when you open the box, the colors of the product comes in its its storage capacity, size and weight, the buttons and connectors of the iPhone, its camera, its video recording capabilities, what sensor the iPhone 14 has, the warranty policies, how to get the product fixed if it breaks or more. The iPhone 14 series, unveiled in September 2022, 200 introduces Apple's newest flagship phones, the iPhone 14, 14 Plus, iPhone 14 Pro, and iPhone 14 Pro Max. Unlike the iPhone 13 series has many models, but the iPhone 14 comes in 6.1 inch and 6.7 inch display size. The iPhone 14 designs are identical to the iPhone 13 cousins, featuring the wireless charging friendly, the glass back, flat edges, and aluminum enclosure. The new model also shared the iPhone 13's display size, a 15 bionic processor, and 5G connectivity. Upgrades includes a power memory, emergency SOS via satellite, action mode to stabilize camera footage, a photonic engine that uses machine learning to revamp the iPhone's image processing stack. We will find actual iPhone running iOS 16 in the package along with some documentation and a Lightning to USB charging port. In this summary, iPhone 40 comes in a variety of colors including midnight, purple, starlight, red, and blue. The iPhone 40 series include different storage options. However, the iPhone 40 has three different storage options: 128 GB, 256 GB, and 512 GB. In the terms of dimension and weight, the iPhone 14 measures 5.78 inches in height, 2.82 inches in width, 0.31 inches in depth, and weight of 6.07 ounces.
So we'll be talking about buttons and connections that we have on the iPhone. So as you can see, we have volume up and down buttons on one side of the phone, and just above it we have silent and ring button. On the other side we have the side button. On the screen we have the speaker, camera, and the inbuilt microphone. On the bottom we have a lightning connector port for charging. We have our inbuilt microphones, and we have built-in speaker. On one side below we have our SIM card tray as well. On the back of the phone we have two cameras, dual camera with a flashlight. So the camera supports 12 megapixel and 12 megapixel ultra wide. We have portrait mode with advanced probe and depth control. It also supports night mode, panorama up to 63 megapixels, wide color captures for photos and live videos. Images can be captured in HEIF and JPEG format. Another interesting feature is video recording. So video can be recorded in 4K, 1080p high definition video. We have cinematic mode as well. We have slow-mo video support for 1080p, time-lapse video with stabilization, night mode time-lapse, quick video take, censorship, optical image stabilization for video. Another interesting feature is video and audio calling. It helps to keep in touch with our family members and friends. So iPhone supports FaceTime video and voice calling over cellular or Wi-Fi or Gold LTE. It also supports screen sharing, portrait mode and FaceTime video, Voice isolation and wide spectrum microphone modes as well in video and audio calling, zoom with rear facing camera.
So after knowing the features of iPhone 14, every people will look after one thing, and that's warranty. It's important then by using your iPhone, before you use it, you are agreeing to the bound of terms and policies by the Apple 1 year limited warranty. It suggests that it has a 1 year warranty period. This warranty gives you specific legal rights, and you may have other rights that vary from province to province. So it depends on you whether that rights comes under your province or not. What is covered by this warranty? This warranty covers the hardware product and Apple branded accessories contained in the original packaging against the defects in material and workmanship were used normally in accordance with the Apple's published guidelines for a period of 1 year, not more than that. What is not covered by this warranty? This warranty does not apply to any non-Apple branded hardware products or software, and it also even not provide you warranty if you have purchased the item other than the authorized dealer. This warranty does not apply to a consumable parts such as batteries or protective coatings, to cosmetic damage, including but not limited to scratches, dents, and broken plastics. Important restriction for iPhone. Apple may restrict warranty service for iPhone where Apple do not have authorized distributor. Even we have some responsibilities towards the warranty. We should make periodic backup copies of the information because that will help us to replace our phone if it is in warranty period. What will Apple do if the warranty is breached? There are three steps. They will either repair the product, they will replace the product, or they will exchange the Apple product for your refund. How to obtain this warranty service? You have to access the Apple site, or you have to carry your phone to the nearest store, or you can drop a mail to the authorized service center. There are some limitations except as provided in this warranty to a maximum extent permitted by law. Apple is not responsible for direct, special, incidental, or consequential damages.
Now let's see how we can repair the laptop, the iPhone. Okay, so there is one way, that is the official app. The official site of Apple support gives an option for support. You can click on there, whatever issues you are having. Now let's say we have an iPhone, just click on iPhone. It will give you this page, go to service and repair. Then there are multiple options where you can click on get service. Then comes multiple options which defines the common problems that are faced by iPhone users. Now let's take an example. If you have got a cracked screen, click on cracked screen, then it will say how you can send in. There are two options that they give. You can either bring the iPhone to the service provider, okay, or you can just send in your package, which will take around 5 to 9 days. So if you click here, you can find the location wherever there is a iPhone authorized store. It will automatically give your device, whichever you own. Okay, same goes for sending for repair also. There are other options that they give us. You can see the prices before sending your iPhone.
To maintain the iPhone, it is important to do regular software updates, manage storage space, protect the device from physical damage, and maintain the battery life. Here I am going to explain some of the details that may be useful for an iPhone maintenance project. Number one, software updates. Apple regularly releases software updates for its phones to fix bugs, improve performance, and add new features. To ensure that iPhone runs smoothly, keep it up to date within the latest software versions. Then second one is storage management. iPhones have limited storage, so it is critical to regularly clean up and manage your files and applications to ensure that you have enough space in it. It can be done by removing unnecessary applications and files and transferring those files to the cloud storage. Physical protection. We all are aware that iPhones are a delicate device, so drops, bumps, and any other physical impacts can easily damage them. So it is necessary to use a protective case and a screen protector to avoid any kind of damage. And at the end, There is a battery maintenance, which is very important because iPhone use lithium ion batteries which degrade over time and must eventually be replaced to extend the battery's life. One must avoid extreme temperatures, charge your phone before it completely gets discharged, and avoid using non-Apple chargers and cables to protect the battery. So these are some of the guidelines for maintaining an iPhone 14.
iPhone 14 Plus replacement policy, which is called Apple Care Plus, is a service advantage to its customers, which defines the right of service, repair, and replacements at no extra costs in an instance that the customer is covered in a specific usage period called the warranty period. If the customer is not binded potentially to this product by a valid warranty in the case of a technical failure of the product, then an out-of-warranty fee is paid to meet service requirements. The customer may have to take, the customer, I beg your pardon, may have to take a request for the express replacement service channeled through a credit card payment and gets an approval in principle from Apple Care Plus to cover full replacement value of the original product.